Hey guys, Layton here with DTO Customs again. If you guys want to see a really cool build, it's right behind me. This is a 2021 Jeep Wrangler RUBICON 392. 470 horsepower, 470 pounds of torque, and it's in one of my favorite colors, Hydro Blue. I actually owned a Jeep in this color, so a little bit of sentimental value. Mine didn't look this cool though, unfortunately. I mean, I got compliments, but not that many. Anyways, let's take a look. With the RUBICON 392, you get the gold accents on the hood here, the side of the hood, the accents, and on the rear. Even on the interior, it's got the gold accents. I love it. The regular RUBICON has the red, which is cool, but this gold is definitely unique. It sets it off, especially with this color. It's just a great combo. Speaking of things that set this thing off, this has got the special hood, only to the 392 model. It's got the hydro guide. What this is a ram air intake for air to go in. There's actually a filter system through here where it will take the air and either go straight down to cool the back of the engine bay, or when under acceleration, air is gonna get sucked through a channel and go straight into the actual air intake box. Cleaner, quicker, air is just gonna make more horsepower. We all love that, especially anybody looking for a little bit more ponies in a Wrangler. Let's go take a look around the side here. We've got a 3.5-inch Ready lift kit with Falcon shocks. We love this kit because it's great on road, which is important. When you've got a lot of horsepower in a Wrangler like this, you're gonna want a solid ride. This is a great combination. You can take this on-road, you can take it off-road. It's just gonna be an all-around performer, which again, super important when you got 470 horsepower at disposal. You've got your 37-inch, 1350 by 22-inch Nitto Recon Grappler tires. These are a pretty new tire to the market. They're more of an all-terrain tire, so they're gonna be a little bit more forgiving on the road for sound and just easy drivability. Being this is an all-wheel drive platform, we actually use this tire just because we think it's probably gonna be a more durable tire for that all-wheel drive system, a little bit easier to just control on the road. 22-inch fuel wheels, I love these things. They look like a cool root that's spiral, and they're gloss black with this milled accent. It's just great looking wheel, sets it off. It's got that luxury, but still pretty aggressive too. Coming back here, we put the gloss black in-Fab Nerf Bars. They tie in well with the wheels, and they kind of just, you see them, but they're not in your face. With the RUBICON, you're gonna have matte black accents, and not only throughout the RUBICON wording on the hood, but your mirrors here, the door handles already. There's actually some cool matte black covers over the hinges. It's different, makes it look a little bit more just kind of tough and durable. This has got a 3-piece hardtop, so you can take all this off, you can take the doors off and enjoy all of the open air with that great sound. Coming back here, it's got the LED tail lights with the blind spot. It also has the LED headlights and the turn signals. You get a steel rear bumper with parking sensors in this, and we put the big boy, the Teraflex HD tire carrier, the full assembly here and the actual mount to here. It's strong, it holds this tire. There's no creaking going down the road that you come across with a lot of Jeeps and got a big tire and using factory suspension. We wanted this thing to be built to the max, and I think we accomplished that pretty well. That's the exterior in the build. Let's take a look at the interior to see the unique factory features of the 392 Wrangler RUBICON. In here, you've got your black leather with the gold stitching to match the accents on the exterior. It's really cool because it ties everything together. The seats are also more bolstered. You also get a really nice dark gray, almost black dash there instead of the red. They didn't want to do all the gold, so they did the black, and it's really, really clean. We like it a lot. This vehicle also comes with your 8.4-inch radio, Alpine audio, navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. It has the optional adaptive cruise control, which is really nice because you can set a distance between you and the front of the rear of another vehicle on the highway and not have to worry about, commuting in traffic while you're listening to the sweet sound of freedom. Thanks again for watching this video on this really cool 392 Wrangler RUBICON. I love these things. They're very unique. They're hard to come across. They're kind of like the unicorn of a Wrangler. If you want any more info about this vehicle, make sure to hit us up on Facebook, Instagram, our email, or just call us at our shop. Thank you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon.